My name is Sami. I'm in the Sharma clinic in Edmonton, Alberta. I had the hair transplant surgery roughly about a year ago. I've always been self-conscious about my hairline. I've seen the generations before me and I know what I was expecting. It's something that will just make you feel so much better inside, especially when a year later you're getting complimented by the people you've always been jealous of. It makes you feel younger, it makes you feel better. I've had people comment and tell me you look way better than you do now than you did 10 years ago. Definitely gives you a lot more confidence. You know, it's gonna take you a lot longer in the bathroom to get ready and get out of the house. So if it's worth it for you, your family, your friends will support you. Oh yeah, absolutely worth it.